I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Hi dear students, how are you? I hope that you are great. Today you have different activities. For example, the vocabulary, my own, the photos, describing photos, or the vocabulary of today is the first word is map. A map is a piece of paper where you can find different places or the location of different places. For example, check on the map where the school is, or check on the map where the hospital is. Okay, the location of different places. The next word is pine tree. A pine tree is the tree that you decorate at Christmas. And the last word is slide. For example, the children go on the slide in the park. Okay, continue watching the video for the following instructions and the following explanation, please. One of the activities is my own. Go to my own and search a reading refers to treasures or follow clues. Then read it and answer the quiz of the book. Describing photos. When you see a photo, you say the first word you think. For example, what do you think about this photo? For example, I think in food or fruits or apple, strawberry, pizza, okay, or something like that. And when you see this picture, for example, I think in swim or surf or sun, for example. The activities are my own, describing photos, and forum.
See you tomorrow. Eat fruits and vegetables.
I never made it, but I know